Jack! Tara!
So where are we gonna put Jack at?
Carry. Jack, good boy, Jack. Tingnan mo nga, Gwen, oh, tumulo na yung dugo-dugo niya dito, oh, look.
Wait, Mama. Oh, yes, I see it.
Kaya, oh,
Nagadugo, Jack.
grabe. Tara, Jack.
Kawawa na yan ang Jack namin.
Look. Jack. Boy, Jack, Jack. RBC.
So, ang RBC, normal na lowest is 5.10. Yaha is 2.9. So, actually, that's a big deal na.
Big deal.
Oo.
So, 5.10 ang
Ang
lowest.
lowest normal. So, Yaha is 2.9. Actually, ang mga blood transfusion na candidate is 2 below. So, at least makita ni mo na this is alarming. Punta tayo sa platelet. Lowest normal is 117. Yaha is 6
Oh
na
my
lang.
God.
So, actually,
So, ma'am, this is the doxycycline. Sorry.
Sige lang po, sige lang po.